jingla ban pule ban tho bat ban itu ikida ki balatho kalong ka don kambha ha ka ne ka juk ka ba manta la ka dei ki samla ni ki balasan ki bala rangbah ki don kam banang ya ka pule ka puthi ha ka jingim ka jongki ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy ha ka jingi trelang bat ka State Literacy Mission Authority Government of Meghalaya kalapan long ya ka ulas fes arajar arpun riu ha so tham auditorium ha ka ba ya ka ni kasngi lai don lang do menteri rangba ka jela kurat sangma kum kongsan menteri bedai pej akatanat puli puti uba lakmen ramboi kum sembut kongsan kum juru la senran langru dau commissioner and secretary jong katanat puli puti Vijay Kumar menteri bat kiwei ki he sorkar habakaren hakani kesngi nakaleng menteri rangba aulaong kamlong kabaslem banang ban puli ulai tu ba ne step ulakhot ikna ki bala paspa ha ka exam SSLC ha yingsa jongu bat ula pynkup burom kum idak ibarit ban ai mense meki makinang la ban trai sitom shu ulaong bak jing itu ya ki balayo jingjap khamsa khamat ha ka pulik puthi kalong ka badon kam hanrai ka sorkar ka thrang ban pentikna ba anam don watang uweiru uban syai syadin ulaong badon kam ban penlei jingmut kerpang ru na ka benta ki balasan ki balarangba bakin nang ban tho ban pule bat kin la ru ban itu ya kidak ki balatho ulong ke jing itu e jing kentiu ya ka puli puthi kan long ka basakut la da bakla ban pen itu lang na ka benta gitu ki bam yo lat ban puli menteri katanat puli puthi balak men ramboi ha bakran ha gani jengalang ula pen pau ke jing sngongu ya katanat mat ki nong trai mon sngob ha ki bala persang ban IT lot yala de ban yarap ya gitu ki longmi ki longpa bat gitu ki bala he ki balasan bakinang ban puli puthi
Mereka kaskur ulas berfiong wah ngang sepindut mendatib ha tingi sutu ba kat kini girtar ni latmen kenduk nang men kumni kru sukmen madah kecil kapar sorong lu kamu nga buat sesar ngan cupai tiknare ni kadah kini cikang yo ban keren ban ya itu lang ban ni kini kita kini tin si ban puli ni korlo ngan hap puli kham ski mar kilam mai chi hikari ya ke ba ai chi nang chi start ya baro ke bolo yo lat lit school bat ke ba la pep school tang haki kerdan ki barit ke ba yarap banang ban tho ban puli bat ban keng bandia kebar kepelik jimut lu kepelik kepelat ya baro nadu ke semla kilung kemien pa bat ru ya kibala temen kebalai bolong lembaga skul olat nila migi pa nila mat ya kicing kalau dia kunta kekriya ki cimut perkat cungi mengi dia ban penseluruh ya ki kuan ki cungi ban pak lek skur na yaki nadu dangret bat bedang biang kerta te pangkani hinga la dokter sibun kamno ngasih tu kidiat ba hakata kapor banga don pasnong marpat yang start sisina lisu emlie ni pan benyo yang dorbar hormo tu ong phi nang man thop election ong nang tindla tho la pasum li le no na la tho how emlie jongka dingli moi ma bisba dingling konstitusi la pahita uang emli kini kemudian emli uang kini tu emli uang malah kini pada emli di MLA ber sini yang tahu dia kata perlu kini cipta yang ada sedang yang sedang ingin sebaiknya entah dia cipta tengah kerja bah kerja di dalam kerana sebun kublai sebun full person. But still, that point
38% is still a very long way. So I request each one of us, now we have under about 2 lakh population which not yet, so to say, literate. When we talk about literate, it is not the question of matriculate or anything, it's a question of basic knowledge of learning, skills, numeracy, extra. And this is why it is important. We know the government of India from time to time, from the Operation Blackboard in those days to the adult education, and now this program of ULAS, which the target have been set that by 2027, the India as a whole will be fully literate country. So we as a part of the country, around 2 lakh of us, in the population in the state, which have not been certified literate. And to reach that benchmark of 95%, we need another 38,000 people. These 38,000, though the number may sound very few, but it is very tough task for us. So I request all the volunteers, all the block educator, all the district, let us join hands so that we could achieve. And if Mizoram could achieve, why not us? And if the country could achieve by 2027, why not us? So I request each one of you, education is very important, literacy is very important, let us do it. As Maramba, he just spoken just now, that he feel the confident, he feel proud to be able to stand here because at least he knows something. So this is an example, and this example not only for him but for every parent. If you try to gain the knowledge, to gain literacy, that will inspire the young children that they should not drop out from school. Honorable Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya, from time to time, try to invest as much as possible in education. When we talk about education, about literacy of the state, the skills of the state, and so on and so forth. So this need the cooperation of each one of us. So on this platform, I request all the youth in Meghalaya, all the youth of Meghalaya, let us be a volunteer to make this thing happen. Let the 24th of April 2026 be a real letter day where maximum number of the people will take the test, on that day, and I hope that when the result declared that benchmark of another 38,000 we could achieve, and we could proudly say that our Meghalaya is fully literate. I wish the volunteers, the students, the people of the state the best. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
It is never too late. Honorable guest of honor, our Commissioner Secretary, that this morning we had a wonderful program where I invited the toppers of the SSLC to have breakfast with me in my house, and also to give recognition to their dedication and hard work and the achievement they got. I gave a small token of recognition and a small letter of appreciation from my side. It was a small but a meaningful, and I'm sure a program that will not just impact the children who received it, but I'm sure will be a source of motivation for many in the years to come. But while we are recognizing the toppers, for us as a government, we are very clear that we will not leave anybody behind. For us, the toppers are as important as our elders and seniors who are not literate yet, who aspire to be literate, who desire to be able to read and write. For us, if we are not able to touch these people's lives, then our mission is incomplete. And that is why today is a very special day, where we are touching the entire spectrum of society. The Ullas program is truly a very noble program. It may sound very simple to all of us, especially those who have the opportunity to go to school or have had the opportunity to go to school, to learn, to write, to become educated, to pass the metric exam, to graduate. It sounds very simple for us. But there are many among us who did not get that opportunity. It's not that they didn't want to, and it's not that they didn't try. It's just that the system was not there. The opportunity was not there for them to be able to become literate and get the kind of education that each and every citizen of our state and of our country deserves. I thank the Education Department, our Education Minister, for the tremendous work that they are doing. What we do today in Education Department, I'm sure most of us will not be able to see the results or the impact of that because things change. But 15, 20 years from now, the seeds that we have sown today, the tough decisions that we have made in Education Department today will show results in the decades to come. Let me put it this way. It's not so simple. Education requires reformation that requires time to actually show results. It's like planting a tree. That you plant the seed, you know what you are planting. You nurture it. You take care of it. You water it. It won't give you fruits the next year. It takes time. Education is the same. But I know that the work that the department today is doing is going to have a transformative impact, and the future generation will get the fruits of the hard work that the department is doing today. While I say that, today, while we do the Ullas program, and while we today strive towards becoming a literate state, and we will very, very soon, sadly, there will still be critics. There will still be people who will not look at the entire canvas, but they will look at that one dot on the side of the canvas and say, but what about that dot? What is the government doing about that one dot out there? While critics are important in governance and in life, I urge society, let us move forward positively. There will be challenges, there will be difficulties, there will be problems. Negativity is never the solution. It is only by having a positive mind, by being persistent, by having the right thought in your mind and the desire to do something good. Only that can bring a change. That does not mean that the challenges of education will be over. There will be many, many challenges ahead. But let us work together as a society. Let us work together as a team. Let us work together as a state. Put our people and put our state in front of us. Let that drive every decision we make. I wish the volunteers, the entire department, and all the people who are behind this program, I wish you the very best, and I'm sure that with your work and with your support, this program will be truly successful and we will achieve our goal to become a fully literate state. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.